Greetings from sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2020 Hino 155 18-foot box. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. Really in outstanding shape on it. Really in beautiful condition. Gonna give it a quick walk around, then we'll take it panel by panel, show you the condition of the vehicle. Really in outstanding shape. Super clean. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the cab first. Driver door, beautiful condition, really outstanding shape. Clean throughout, very nice. Really in beautiful condition. Very nice, all original paint, looks amazing. Take a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful shape. Very nice. It's got a little mark right here. It's got a little bit of damage here on the bumper here. A little piece here is broken on it. No big deal. Put your plate over it, nobody sees it. Front headlamp on the driver's side looks good. Grill's in beautiful condition. Very nice. Take a look at the other headlamp, also in beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape. Take a look at the covers here in the front. That cover looks perfect. Center panel, beautiful condition. Very nice. Take a look at that other panel, also in beautiful shape. Windshield's in beautiful condition. Very nice. No chip marks, no damage on it at all. Looks beautiful. Take a look at the passenger side door, also in beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Look at that. Very nice. Really in outstanding shape. Go ahead and take a look at the box. The box does have a little bit of damage right here. It's got a little cut here or whatever on it. Nothing major. Let's take a look at the rest of it. Really in nice shape. It's got a scuff right here. A little scratch right there. Nothing major. Box is in really nice shape. Super clean, man. 18-foot box. Morgan. Really great box. Up on top there, no damage. Looks beautiful. It's got a little imperfection there. Besides that, looks good. Let's walk around the back real quick. Okay, it's got that step back here for easy access. Really nice. Beautiful condition. Got the handles there to hold on there. Door's in really nice shape. Looks super clean. Very nice condition. Really beautiful condition. Okay, let's take a look at the bottom of the box here on the driver's side. Looks nice, super clean throughout. Very nice condition. The center of the box looks good. Really nice. Beautiful shape, man. Really outstanding condition. Really nice shape. Really beautiful condition. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. Take a look at the driver door panel. Door panel looks amazing. Super clean. Take a close look here. Look at the controls. Very nice. Handle, also in beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Let's take a look at the door jamb on this. Also in beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Looks flawless. Driver's seat. Looks perfect. Really in beautiful shape. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks brand new on this vehicle. We're taking a look at the passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, outstanding shape. Look at that, looks amazing. Very nice. Take a look at the entry on this. The door jamb looks brand new. Cab has all original paint, never been touched. Beautiful condition. Take a look at the seats, also in beautiful condition. Clean throughout, very nice. Super, super clean. Look at the floor. Beautiful condition also, amazing. Dashboard looks brand new. Liner looks amazing, looks brand new also. Very nice condition. We're taking a look at this 2020 Hino. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. This Hino only has 14,991 miles. Very nice, look at that. You can see there all the cluster and everything's working fine. Gauges are working good. Very nice. Take a look at some of the features on this one. Got power windows. Let's go ahead and test the power windows out. Driver's side power window, up and down. Perfect. Passenger side, up and down, perfect. Has mirrors, power mirrors. Nice feature on these cars. Side by side, up and down, you can see there. The other side here, side by side, up and down, perfect. It also has heated mirrors, very nice. Cruise control in the steering wheel. This one has an engine brake. If it's down like that, engine brake is on. Up like that, it's off. It's control for the lights. It's got a switch down here. That's for the cargo lamp inside the box. Automatic transmission with overdrive. Hino radio, CD and dash with auxiliary. With auxiliary and USB. Very nice. Cold AC. This is the button for the deaf. You have a lot of buttons here. You can feel for accessories there if you like. Two glove boxes there. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Looks brand new. Take a look at that. Very nice shape. Steering wheel's in beautiful condition also. Really an amazing condition. Up above here, it's got some storage there. Sun visors. Liner on top looks brand new. Really an outstanding condition. Very nice shape. Okay, really an amazing condition. Cup holders here. Emergency brake. Very nice. Okay, stay tuned guys. We're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. All set to go ahead and take this one for a test drive. We already have it in gear there. It's already in drive. Okay, let's take it for a little spin. Is a 2020 Hino 155 with an 18-foot box. Right now it has 14,991 miles. Drives really nice, feels super smooth. Brakes feel good, steering wheel's nice. Perfect. Going about 50 right now, feels super smooth. Steering wheel staying put, look at that. Very nice. Really great drive. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and test the brakes out now. Brakes are good. Stops really nice. Stops easy. Steering smooth. It's a brand new truck. Really great drive. Well, that's going to conclude our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to take a look at those tires, take a look at the engine, and the box inside. Let's go ahead and take a look at the box inside. Doors are like in brand new condition. Look how easy it slides. Really nice. Look how easy that slided up there. Really beautiful shape. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Box is in brand new condition. Looks amazing. Really beautiful shape, man. Take a look at the floors. Floors are in beautiful shape. Really nice condition. Got a little imperfection there on the side, no big deal. Another one over there. Looks really nice. It's got a light up top there. Roof looks good. It's really nice condition all the way through. And doors also in great condition. Very nice. Rollers and everything are good. Slides super easy. Okay, let's see how easy it slides down and closes. Really nice. Great condition, man. Take a quick look at these tires. Tires in the front. Driver's side front. Tire looks good, very nice. Undercarriage, beautiful condition. Let's take a look here. Batteries, depth container, really nice. Frame on the bottom looks good. Really great shape. Very nice condition. Let's take a close look here at the rear tires. Rear tires look good, look at that. Very nice condition. Chrome cap looks good, very nice. Mud flaps look good, very nice. Really great condition. Let's take a look at the step in the back. Step looks good. Really nice shape. Take a look at the bottom here. The other mud flap also in beautiful condition. Rear tires, very nice, look at that. Really outstanding shape. Chrome cap looks good. Nice accent there. Take a look at the bottom here. Catalytic converter looks good. Really nice. Suspension looks good over here. Front tire on the passenger side. Good condition. Very nice. Chrome cap looks sharp. Very nice condition. VIN number right there. Beautiful. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment from the driver's side. Engine looks brand new. It's a 2020. Take a look at that. Beautiful condition. Super, super clean. Look at this. Very nice. Close look down there. That's where the ABS module is. All the lines for the air conditioning. Brake lines, really nice. Beautiful condition. Take a look under the cab. Really outstanding shape. Looks brand new. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine from the passenger side. Looks good. Beautiful condition. Very, very nice. Super clean. Really amazing condition. It's the AC condenser down there. Looks good. Beautiful condition. Bottom of the cab on this side. It's brand new. Really in outstanding shape. Very nice. Well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2020 Hino 155 with an 18-foot box in it, in beautiful condition inside and out. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information, novaautosales.net. Thanks for watching.